a woman from Cocoa in Florida has been accused of trying to kill her boyfriend because he was snoring too loudly. 47-year-old Lori Morin was arrested by officers from the Brevard County Sheriff's Office last week on charges of attempted murder and aggravated battery, reports Click Orlando. According to police, the shooting took place last Wednesday night at the couple's mobile home in Emerald Lake Drive. The victim, named as Brett Allgood, was airlifted from the home and is currently in a stable condition in hospital. According to reports, the shooting was initially believed to be an accident. However, an ongoing investigation into the incident has determined that the shooting occurred during an argument between the couple, caused by the boyfriend's loud snoring. The dispute is said to have escalated, with Morin retrieving and firing a shotgun at Allgood, shooting him in his right armpit. Officers say she had been drinking prior to the incident. According to an arrest affidavit seen by Florida Today, the victim recalls hearing a loud boom before waking up lying in a pool of blood with excruciating pain. Neighbors told reporters they were shocked by what happened. Samantha Bobia, who lives near the couple, said, "I've talked to her a couple of times and she's always been really nice, and so the news is kind of shocking on it. Honestly, to hear that it was over him snoring is kind of shocking. It's kind of crazy." Robert Mason described the whole incident as bizarre. He added, "It's so stupid, so bizarre that I can't imagine that kind of behavior." Morin is currently being held in Brevard County Jail without bond.